Hello, hello. So there is a source being used in one of the examples that I'm calling into question. And here we have this is the excerpt where it is being used. So we have Grimm brothers being cited, yet wondering why Grimm Brothers is in the citation, yet lit2go is the first item listed with the works cited entry here. So remember, when crediting an author or citing an author, the first item of the works cited entry needs to be referenced. And in this case, it is lit2go. And that is being listed as a web page title within the website Rumpelstiltskin, Grimm's Fairy Tales, Grimm Brothers, lit2go, etc. Something funky is going on here. So let's take a look at the actual website and find out. Okay, so I would say Grimm Brothers is correct with being the author of this. I would consider the website name. So I would put Grimm Brothers first in the place of the author's name. Grimm Fairy Tales next as the website name, and lit2go as the publisher of the website. Let's go down to the bottom and take a look at the copyright and see if that's holding up. Not quite. So this is actually being hosted by, let's make it bigger so we can take a look at it. So the copyright and the people responsible for this website is the Florida Center for Instructional Technology, College of Education, University of South Florida. So there we have it. That is our publisher. So let's build that works cited entry and we'll make it a little bit more correct. Okay, so I'm going to say Grimm Brothers. Okay. What do we need for? We can either go with, now that I'm taking a look at it, there are a lot of options here and I think I understand why the confusion. We could go with Grimm's Fairy Tales for the name of the website. We could also maybe for the name of the web page. Sorry, for the name of the web page. And I would say this is the chapter, like it's a subheading of the page. So we'll go with Grimm's Fairy Tales next. Okay. Next, we have what is the website? I would say lit2go is the website. Now let's get that publisher all the way down here. Now, would we need all of this? I'm just going to put all of it just to be safe. Because this is, okay, so this is, so think about it like Del Mar. So like Del Mar is, like your English class is within the English and Philosophy department, which is within the College of Arts and Sciences, which is part of Del Mar College. So here this is like the department, the Center for Instructional Technology, that is the department, that is the division, and then that is the overarching institution. So I would say let's put all of it. Okay. Do we have a publication date? Well, this is when it was actually published, 1905, but when was this website last updated? And here we have a copyright 2006 to 2020. That means it was last sort of, at least monitored in 2020. So we'll put that. Access date, I'm going to put today's date. Period, and we are all good. So now let's get it in proper format. Get italics for our website. And we are all set. There we go.